Welcome to our video on how to install the walking stick lower handle. Please note that only walking sticks with a shaft of 22mm can be fitted. First, unscrew the clutch and lower it. Next, push in the press button and pull the leg downwards. Remove the leg from the walking stick and set aside. Moving to the lower handle, rotate the lever on the handle outwards. Then slide the lower handle onto the shaft. Slide to the required position and flick the lever inwards to lock into place. If the handle feels a bit loose, pull the lever outwards again and twist the tension knob on the other side of the handle before putting the lever back inwards again. Repeat this process until it feels secure. Once you are happy with the location of the lower handle, pick up the leg of your walking stick and align the press button with the holes on the walking stick. Slide the leg into the walking stick tube and push the press button inwards to allow the leg to slide further. Set walking stick to required height by allowing the push button to lock into place. Next, lift the clutch back up onto the walking stick leg and screw until back firmly in place. We hope you enjoy the extra help from the lower handle on your walking stick. For further information, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly staff on 08 92 48 4180. You can also check out our full product range by visiting our website at redgumbrandmobility.com.au.